Do you have curry?
Yeah.
Why?
You'll need this.
Yes, I do.
Yep.
Where's Harvey gone?
Oh. Shut up! Well... Oh, it's out of focus.
What was that?
Damn it. They left me behind.
Specialized. There's more cycle.
More Uncle Ben's, I think. But yeah, making a nice curry. Are you still recording? Yep. You like it? And look at that for an end result. Margaret Thatcher's funeral couldn't have gone better than that. Nobody can ever claim to provide any kind of shock. Hey, it's not like it's not electric, Daniel. Hello, we're back in St Andrews for a barbecue. There's Rowan and me, and there's Harvey, and we can see a helicopter. Oh, the helicopter's coming towards us. Let's go. Helicopter! That's a helicopter! Water! Frisbee! Whoosh! Whoosh! Harvey lost his shoes, but I found them. So I'm gonna play the trick that they played on me. No way, Harvey! I'm not gonna hide the shoe, I'm gonna hide. Thank you very much, sir.
Does that full HD?
Can we blow up that? I don't know, it's Harvey's camera.
Is it full HD?
I think so, yeah.
It's actually illegal not to be full HD anymore, so...
Harvey on the internet has been eating.
Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, 4 times zoom. Sneaking up on it. I go get him.
Come back here.
Nutritious,
I think you're going a bit far there.
and not made of mystery.
Yeah. My line is saying I want a burger.
Are you filming? Yeah.
Give me a burger.
Hi. Let me stop doing that, Jake.
What happened?
Third time now.
They're going to find the frisbee that this
They're going to find the frisbee that drowned you.
Yeah, you can do it.
No, you didn't get that lucky. No one's drowned yet.
No.
No, I had a piece of it.
Finley.
Go on and try and find it.
I'm having a marshmallow burger. Despite everyone's reservations about my marshmallow hamburger, it was actually rather good. They are all wrong, and I eat the best food in the world.
Tell them what we were doing yesterday.
Yeah, so yesterday and Saturday we were doing.
Monday, by the way.
It's Monday. And so yeah, yesterday and Saturday we were doing our Duke of Edinburgh assessment hike, which went well, I guess, for Harvey's group, but my group we got lost and terribly, very badly.
We didn't film much because it was raining all the time. But that's why we called it a brief summary. What we just showed you, it was pretty brief, but that's pretty much what we got up to all weekend. And now we're at the beach.
Ah!
I'm thinking it was some of those Muslim people. Look, it's the Bible.
Jake.
Alright, it's that thing that only.
Come on, Jake. Fail army. Fail army.
Fail army.
Yep. Just do it and break your legs. You'll find out in about a week what fail army is.
Let's go. Okay, I've got this out. Ow! I fell so far. I got it again. I got this again. I'm doing it again. I'm doing it again. Oh, oh, let's go. It's gone. I can't stop falling. I'm stuck. Ah.
Let's jump for a minute.
Wait, I'm watching out for dying. I have such an ungraceful landing.